Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to find minimum number of palindromic subsequences to be removed to empty a binary string. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given a binary string, count the minimum number of subsequences to be removed to make it an empty string. For input string 10001, output is 1. Since the whole string is a palindrome, we need only one removal. For input string 10001, output will be 2. We can remove the middle one at first removal. After the first removal, string becomes 1000001, which is a palindrome. The problem is simple and can be solved easily using the below two facts. If the given string is a palindrome, we need only one removal, else we need two removals. Note that every binary string has all ones as a subsequence and all zeros as another subsequence. We can remove any of the two subsequences to get a unary string. A unary string is always a palindrome. Now let's have a look at the implementation. First, let's see a helper function is palindrome, which checks if a string str is palindrome. Start from the leftmost and the rightmost corners of string L equal to 0 and h is equal to strlen of string minus 1. Then keep comparing characters while they are same. That is, while h is greater than L, check if string L is same as string h. If not, return false. If same, increment the value of L and decrement the value of h. Finally, if you exit from the loop, return true. Now let's look at the min removals function, which returns the count of minimum palindromic subsequences to be removed to make string empty. If the string is empty, that is, if string 0 is null, return 0. If string is a palindrome, return 1, and if not, return 2. The complexity of this solution is order n. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.